Hi. Welcome to Pantech Solutions. Today we are going to see weather monitoring using FPGA. We have Spartan 6 with humidity sensor and inbuilt temperature sensor. First we need to configure our ThinkSpeak account API encode and dump code into the FPGA kit. Here we complete the process. Now we connect the sensor and light the module on specified pins. Sensors values displays in LCDs. Sensors get the current temperature and humidity level. At the same time light the module update the sensor status in ThinkSpeak Cloud. Let's check ThinkSpeak updates. Thank you. See you again. For more details about this video, visit our site www.pantechsolutions.net.